Hello, welcome today to my guest. We have the extraordinaire omelette chef coming to you live.
Hello there, I'm Walwyn. Show you how to make everything omelet. First you want to do is ignite your burner, get a medium-high heat, let it warm up a few seconds. As it's warming up, you add a little bit of clarified butter. Okay, there. Usually you want to start with the vegetables that takes longest to cook, or whatever items you're using. So we'll start out with peppers and onions. Some mushrooms. Let that start dancing a little bit. The next item will be our meats. Okay, now the vegetables cook up. Usually add between 3 to 4 ounces of egg. The trick is sliding the egg back and forth or keep it in a circular motion.
What a flip!
And cheese. Fold it and blend it. Wait.
Okay, once it's cooked on both sides, he's going to go ahead and put the cheese in the middle, allow that to melt, flip the omelet, top it off with a little cheese. And of course, we have our chef omelet.
All right.
Thanks for watching.